We want to make sure that you are caught up on our top story tonight.
Yeah, the other big story that we're covering today, these new COVID cases across central Indiana have reached a high we have not seen in months.
We've had more than 5,000 new COVID cases reported, and that is the last orange line that you'll see on the right-hand side of this chart. And you can see that big jump that we've had in just a matter of days.
And we're going to put the dotted line here on the graph here. This shows that we've been averaging over 3,000 new COVID cases every day for the last week. In fact, the last time it was this high, 7 months ago, when the COVID numbers were actually falling.
Marion County is reporting about 400 new COVID cases and a positivity rate over 10%. The Marion County Public Health Department put its mobile vaccine clinic on Monument Circle Wednesday, but convincing unvaccinated people to get the shot remains a monumental task.
98.5% of those people being hospitalized were unvaccinated. So when you're seeing these cases occurring in the emergency rooms, being hospitalized in our intensive care units, they are the unvaccinated.
Dr. Virginia Kane gave no indication that she will seek further COVID restrictions in Marion County, but she is concerned about the rising number of cases among children and says adults must do their part to protect those who are not eligible for the vaccine yet.
All right, now heads up, if you got the single dose J&J vaccine, you want to listen to this. It's likely that you are going to be getting another shot after all. You're going to be getting a booster shot. That's the recommendation, and it comes from Johnson & Johnson that says that they have the latest studies that show that people who got a booster 6 months after the initial dose, they had a 9-fold increase in antibodies. Health leaders say your immunity will eventually wane, and that will leave you more vulnerable to infection if you don't go get a booster shot. Now, you might recall just yesterday we heard from the White House, the Biden administration, recommending boosters for those of you who got the Pfizer and the Moderna vaccines as well.
The Pentagon has now ordered all military service members to get the COVID vaccine immediately. The feds are saying more than 800,000 service members have not been vaccinated. Delta Airlines is going to charge employees $200 a month on the company's health plan if they're not vaccinated. Delta saying the average hospital stay for COVID costs $40,000. Delta says all of the workers hospitalized with COVID in recent weeks were not fully vaccinated. This move comes after United Airlines took it a step further, requiring its employees to be fully vaccinated by September 27th or face termination.